Imagine a world where every grain of sand holds wisdom, where every tree whispers secrets, and every river flows with eternal truths. This is the journey we're about to embark on, a voyage through the ages, guided by the insights of those who came before us. But let us not forget, true vision is not what the eye perceives, but what the heart understands. From the timeless deserts to the lush forests, cultures across the globe have shared sacred knowledge, woven together like a quilt of humanity's greatest insights. To begin, we visit the honored territory of Chief Seattle and his profound declaration: "The earth does not belong to us, we belong to earth." What did he mean by this? He spoke not just to comfort his people, but to illuminate the truth that our existence is interconnected with every sprout of grass, every bird in the sky. He believed in a vision that transcends the physical, one born from the human spirit that could guide generations. Let us now leap across oceans and sands to meet the Australian Aboriginal elder who unveils the wisdom stored in what is called the Dreamtime. He recounts tales of ancestors singing the landscapes into existence. Can you imagine? A world built on harmonizing melodies. Your spirit carries your true sight, he insists. A belief born from a life that understands the songlines connecting all beings in the universe. It is a vision seen not through earthly eyes, but through the eyes of the soul. Dive deeper into the spiritual realms as we encounter the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Through the lens of a scholar, we hear, "The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others." Within Islam lies an ingrained respect for God's creation, people, nature, and life itself. The wisdom here is clear. Envisioning the unseen will draw us closer to God's divine mercy, sprinkling kindness like rain over parched lands. The echoes of wisdom persist as we find ourselves in a serene Himalayan temple. Here, we reflect with none other than the Buddha himself. His words radiate tranquility as he reveals, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think." Imagine holding this truth. What if the life you lead is made by your inner narrative? The Buddha teaches us to take control of this story with wisdom, compassion, and introspection, and in doing so, to cultivate the seeds of inner peace. Yet, these teachings are not isolated silos of thought. Let us look at the bigger picture, weaving these fragments together. Notice how similar these hearts speak. From Chief Seattle to the Aboriginal elder, from the Prophet Muhammad to the Buddha, the message is the same. They guide us towards a truth modern life sometimes forgets. Vision begins within. The inner sight, a gift unique to each person, is anchored in humanity itself. As our journey nears its end, allow me to leave you with this. Every culture, every tradition, every soul talked about today shares the unseen language of respect for all beings. Even in our differences, commonality shines brighter than the sun. To truly see, we must look inward. Only then, with a heart illuminated by wisdom, can we embrace all of life as sacred. So I ask you, viewer, what will you choose to do with the vision in your heart today? Will you seek wisdom? Will you foster human connections? The King of the Kingdom of God himself once proclaimed, "We are the salt of the earth, filling it with flavor by embracing our shared humanity." The vision isn't a fantasy. It's a reality shaped by each small act of kindness, love, and respect we put into the world. Now, the real question is, will you embrace your inner vision? Let the journey begin.